Friends, if you guys also want to check your Google accounts and how many devices are logged into it, then this video is for you guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to check Google account login devices. Open your YouTube and tap on these Google accounts. Now here you have to click on Security. After clicking on the security, you have to scroll down and click on the devices here. Here you will get an option of devices. Now here you have to click on Simply Manage All Devices. Here you can see how many devices your Google account is on. In this way, you can also manage all your devices. And you can also log out their Google account from any device. Thanks for watching this video.